The Khedaitala Snake Festival, held in Krishnanagar, West Bengal, is a culturally rich event that has been celebrated for over 250 years. Though not widely known outside the state, it is eagerly awaited by the local people. Every year towards the end of August, during Shravan Sankranti, snake charmers, gypsies and folk-sorcerers from various districts of West Bengal, and even from Odisha and Assam, gather in the village of Chakda in Nadia district to display their art and wares. The festival revolves around the worship of the goddess Manasa, the deity of snakes. Devotees believe that offering a puja on Shravan Sankranti brings protection from snake bites and ensures prosperity in trade. The nearby villages of Khedaitala, Santra, Sahispur and Chodanga observe arandhan, a ritual during which no food is cooked in households. People from all communities, including Muslims, actively participate in the celebrations. A significant ritual of the event is the sacrifice of 150 goats at the ancient Manasa temple site. However, traditional snake charmers like Mr. Abani Sutranath from West Dinajpur have expressed concern that the fair is losing its charm due to the growing influence of television and cinema, as snake shows are no longer drawing the large crowds they once did.